What's up, guys? It's your friend and fellow artist Zmarie here, and today, first and foremost, welcome. If you are a visual artist who's tired of wondering, how do I actually make money with my art? You're in the right place. For years, artists were told that they could only get into galleries or had to wait on someone to discover them, but thanks to all of the various tools, that's no longer the only path. Thanks to the internet, print on demand, AI tools, and digital marketplaces, artists have more opportunities than ever before. In this channel, I'll be sharing with you marketing tips for independent visual artists so you can reach more people with the gifts and talents that God has blessed you with. Not only for independent visual artists, but also for independent music creators, DJs, dance creators. My goal is to help artists find practical marketing strategies while encouraging them to use their talents to make a positive impact. If you want to put your designs on t-shirts, hoodies, aprons, and so much more, go to heart4art.live. You can get access to all of these tools over there. Always remember that with Christ, every mission is possible. God bless.